Meet Ella, your AI companion inside the Truality Wallet.me app. Built by Mr. Y, she guides you through features, simplifies navigation, and grows smarter as she evolves. Upgrade to Ella Premium for deeper insights, personalized support, and a fun, lighthearted boost to your daily experience. This message was brought to you by Mr. Y, dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance and my other channels, Truality.Legalese, .mental, and .unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to stop by my central hub, Truality.Finance.